Welcome back to Prince Capsi TV, back again with another one. So today I'm on my way. Let me start with my okay. you remember we had a Polo 1.4 Classic TDI. It also once featured here in the channel. So that Polo 1.4 TDI has been sold. So my aunt sold that Polo 1.4 TDI and she got another car from WeBuyCars. So I don't know which car is it, but they say it's a small car, and I'm on my way now to have a look of this car. I don't know which car is it, but they say it's a small car. I think it's a i10, or I don't know which car is it, but it's a small car. They say it's a small white car, but they don't know which brand is it. Yeah, which yeah, I think yeah, it's fine like that. Maybe it's a Suzuki Swift, I don't know. It's a small car. So yeah, I'm on my way. I don't think it's a Polo, or maybe it's a Yaris, white Yaris. So we are on. Okay, I'm on my way to look at the car. So yeah, I don't know how is it. We'll have a look and then maybe we'll do some a POV drive of that car and a review also. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, we are almost there. We are almost there. So yeah, going this side, we are almost there. We'll see which car did my aunt bought. They say it's a small white car, but I don't know which car it is. So yeah, it will be my first time seeing this car, and they say she bought it from WeBuyCars, and she sold that Polo 1.4 TDI at WeBuyCars. So yeah, we are there. Let's go. Oh, this circle is so small, yo. Sorry. Hey, this lead. Just switch it off. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Yeah, we are almost there now. We're going down the street. So yeah, I'm here now, and I think the car is not here. I think my aunt is not here. So we are here now. I'm going to say hi. And yeah. I'm going to say hi, but the car is not there. It's not there. Maybe she went somewhere. I don't know. There's the parking. There's no car there. So we'll come back on another day. Welcome back to Prince Capsi TV, back again with another one. So today is the second day, and I've got the car. The car is in front of me now. So this is the car that my aunt bought. So today I'll be revealing the car that my aunt bought. So yeah, there is it. yeah, so this is the car that my aunt bought. So yeah, if you haven't liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please, it helps the channels to grow. So I would like you to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. So yeah, on the next video there will be another next video. So this is the car that my aunt bought. So we sold the Polo V4, the Polo 1.4 TDI. We sold that. So now we have this on the family, the Citroën C3 1.4 HDI. It's a 1.4 HDI. So yeah, I will do a proper review of this car when I got it like properly. So now it was just a POV drive and introducing this car. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.